Bless up BXG Nation. Welcome again. So viewers, so we have Vegas and Foota Hype, a content and irate reasoning people. The reasoning, Jano. Vegas said the industry is full of wicked people. People, if you don't agree, left on the thoughts in the comment section. And if you don't disagree, do the same thing, people. The man also state the reason why him and Bounty Killer could never be friends. Why he not like Bounty Killer. The man said Bounty Killer box food for him mother mouth, so he could never rate Bounty Killer again. But people, I can remember an interview between Vegas and Wizalogy. Big up Wizalogy and big up Vegas and Foota Hype for the interview. Yeah. People, in that interview, Vegas states that the reason why him and Bounty Killer start a war is because over Kerry, a girl named Kerry. So, what him has said back yasa again is a totally different story. But people, if you don't agree, you left on the thoughts, if you don't disagree, left on the thoughts, see me in the comment section. So, Foota Hype also state the amount of fight when you get in a dance hall and the one because in correct or in giving views on a young artist performance, people say him a tear down the young artist them. But people, if you don't agree, you left on the thought same way. If you don't disagree, do the same thing. Yeah man, so the man said basically how he start Gallus Wednesday, most of the artists them never like that. So they fight him. But people, make we hear a Foota Hype and Vegas attack.
People, when me are telling us that industry is a wicked, evil industry. What do you think about joke thing?
But watch this, people don't understand. Sometimes a man feel like say, so the man with the more money and the more hype, him can't bad mind. And that's a big problem. Me understand with fans. Fans not understand that sometimes man the whole of the money, and him not want the next man come up to the glory share none at all. And him want to be the done. And him want to be the dupes. And him want to be.
You not to get your independence.
No, you're mad. You have to stay under my foot and crush out like ants.
Foota, me dey a Trinidad and see two artists a war about which Obia woman better. Me say, Foota, me left in a brother. The way the people, the way the man them a reason. Me I say, I saw dance all business really stay.
No, but Obia nothing a dance hall to, you know, because.
Man, that's about two. Me I tell you, me dead in a year with the two brother them a reason about the Obia star.
Me have a gunman virgin, you know, because me I testify. Me have criminal friend. Me have friend of workhouse. Me have mechanic friend. Yeah, me just not a batman friend. Me have friend who suck pussy. And
right.
Yeah, me I tell the truth. Me I be honest. So, booms now, my virgin have him court case deal. So,
right.
My virgin go out around over, man. Figure, sort out him thing, get him psalms them and tie up the judge name and the police them name and something. so my boy, so when he reach out at the yard, you know, him see a little gathering, you know, like different from the norm. Him see a little extra gathering, you see me?
Right.
So him say, him want hurry up the way him do, figure sort out film things. So him say to the general, say, General, you know, me can't stay up there the whole time today. Me just want to do me thing and move. So the man said to him, say, no, you know, say today kind of different car. The room where we usually do your thing, them in, you know, the artists in there get a bath.
Not tell the people them. Not tell the people that know why easy industry. Not the people that when the people on the internet, you know, most time when you go on that, Uno is someone that talk about put and talk about Vegas, I want to run Ghana and they got talk about. Uno look up on yourself and chat up on the thing, you know. Uno know the industry of people, uno see all the return gone. Uno see the chip. Terror Fabulous. Hey, Aritadla, I one of the baddest dancer, DJ. Aritadla. Terror Fabulous. I mean, now this Aritadla, don't take it personal. Me just attack.
Remember Fabi Dali too? When Fabi Dali get the song, them clad Fabi Dali with a split tail, man.
Yeah, Fabi Dali come one bad juice for beers, and everybody say, yeah, when you go.
Brother, remember say me live a cassava piece, see? Which is next door to Whitehall, next door to Red Hills Road. See? Remember say Fabi Dali come from Park Lane. My mother used to throw a partner on a Park Lane. So me used to go to Park Lane all the while I throw the partner for my mother. So me know Fabi Dali from me a juvenile. Me not know him like him not know me. But me know him. Say Fabi Dali that. You see me? When the man boss, the way me happy, me feel like I'm me boss. Cause me know him. Cause he'd have Remed from 100 and Fabi Dali from Park Lane, and they have Algebra them proper big yard. See?
Right.
So any one of them you that boss, cause me know them and me I play them before. None of them become big. I have Turbulence from down a Uncle Town. See? So when Fabi Dali bust me, I run up and down a cassava piece every time we hear it on the radio, but the radio. Man, I drink bad juice Bombays. Strictly peanut butter. It come like a week. All of them that live in my place, a week. Brother, the man start just upon something, man. And when I'm own bridging them say, pop off a lizard tail, man. And roll up him street team, man. When I'm own a party bridging. When me comes to now my career starts step up and I start got Exodus. I Fabi Dali me see out there, dirty dry foot slippers, mad out.
Jesus Christ.
Me feel like, yeah. Come here say pussy clot. Look how me feel when the youth boss. The man don't even know himself. Man walk and talk to himself and yeah. That business is terrible, man, and a joke thing.
Put on the people and think, let me tell you something, man. Some man just see you come to that music and say, him, nothing make it.
Yeah, man.
Him, not deserve it. She, where she go?
Why you think I'm glad you called me upon the live? Me's a true testimony of survival of every level of bad mind in our music.
You can't out with me, brother. Trust me. Me get the most beaten boy.
Well,
fuck.
You get wicked beaten still, but
bro,
let me say this. No, let me say this. As selector,
yeah,
me get the most beaten. And me get the most oppression just because of my views. Remember that nobody not hate me because of my talent in it.
No, them know you're bad. Them know you're bad. Them can't take me.
Yeah. Them know say him, I want to bad selector, but here then here. Me too truthful and me too vigorous when me attack the truth and me too believe in myself and me not take press and you can't program me.
So them not and they can't push around.
Yeah, so them hate that. Them
they can't control you and tell you which man to play and you're sitting there.
No, remember saying Vegas, remember saying me and Lexus have one of the biggest problem one time, you know. I remember say when me say this something on the sound, you know. I never Lexus alone. Me say Vegas and Lexus. And you know say nothing to me. I mean Lexus what? Me and Lexus good there now. So me I show people.
Yeah, them thing that is mustering.
Exactly. Me I try to show people.
We don't see it that way there. Like,
me not eat. Me don't eat.
I'm gonna stop a man food. With the part I have a problem with, and the man them will say, yo, them must shut off your lifeline, brother.
Yes.
Like you know, move and you know, pick it up.
Yeah, them try to do that to me all the time. Alright, you know what trick one artist already? The man tell my brethren where I keep alright, you know Apilus distribution.
Yeah.
Okay. And my friend own the company. And we sit down and plan out the company, decide company name, everything. Zine, enough people don't know them something. And we sit down and put it together. Kinda know nothing about music. Zine, that's what meme call. We sit down, wait. Zine? That's why I mean that part of the company. So in there keep a thing run Fancy Thursday run this. Run a No Limit Sports Bar run this. Zine? Then I know say me come Sabam and me and my father have a problem. and a man buy it out. And them go keep me behind my back. Say me not to be a part of the event. See? And remember, them no know say, I mean this man I plan the company and I do everything, you know. See? And my ideas them I see, I come forth and them no know, you know. See? So when the general call me and say, yo, here, be a ball in a go on. Just stop come play for about 3 weeks. And I say, no. Based on ego, I say, you can't style me thing for them and me and your build this. You see me? You know the man look at me and say, Vegas? The man say, Foota, here you going to do now. You have to learn style. See? And the man make the party keep for the next 3 weeks without me. You know what the man do after that, the 4th week? The man just stop it and said, stop keep. See, Vegas? The man just said, it's done. And stop keep it. So event mash up. And then the man just goes so bam and say, Foota, what you want? Them time there, God is so good. Mumsel, the artist, them run up Mumsel liquor bill. She can't pay for the club no more. Mash up her event. I can't name more than 4 or 5 artists will run Mumsel to wreck.
A sister we are trying.
Little girl we are an artist now. Them go there this week, pay them bill. Go there next week, pay them bill. The next week, no bill, no pay. Next week, them pay half a bill. Next week, them not pay no bill, and them just call 4 or 5 weeks and not pay no bill. Mash her up. So she can't keep, because it's up the name, Giveaway Wednesday first, you know.
Right.
See? When it mash up, Mumsel ball to me, I want to show me the book with the one of them name, how much money them want. See? I'm going to go to Obama and say nothing. She a give up the club. Me take the opportunity now and say to my general, say, me I got to take the club now. Because remember, we stop the next event, you know, just to get rid of them outright.
Right.
See? And comes a boom and start Gallus Wednesday now. Where 100% surround me.
Right.
I saw me escape me demise, you know, Vegas. Because me have an event where me own and control. So no man can, you know, talk now. And say we don't want this and we don't want that. And me decide. Me can lock on out too. And then, because of my talent, the people them follow me every Wednesday. So them have to follow with the people them I got. I want them song play in the event where the people them I got. So Foota Hype end up have the full control of the whole street now. So all who they are grumble and I fight me and I do everything. Still I feel
end up on a year party.
Cause my thing and another man thing. You understand me? I say Foota I want this.
Right.
Gallus Wednesday this. So here some man start, you know. Start work and start say, yo, money Wednesday that. I'll be a man in there. That the man then start saying, no. So then can't control me thing. You know. Who me now go around that? A money Wednesday, I'll be a man in that. And me just laugh off of them and continue. Then because of BAM now, have some powerhouse forward around there. Busta Rhymes come to Jamaica, Busta Rhymes in a Gallus Wednesday. Julia Gang in a Gallus Wednesday.
Member.
Charlie Kingston in a Gallus Wednesday. Be a heavyweight where carry heavier weight than them. That time I fight a struggle and people no. Son man start fight me. And me I say watch ya. Then start pricing people mind. Remember him at this, remember him at that. Remember him at PNP. Remember him said that team and him said that. Stop go around there. Remember them charge him for gun already. When you cannot go party where selector get charged. I saw them I tell the people them. And the more than do it Vegas I more place.
More around.
After me escape, you know, because people that say, Foota lame out, him not play good again, I see him not play no way. But because I me own the event VG, then couldn't say, yo, you're not playing, make a next selector play.
Yeah, you know, me know them man are wicked in the music, brother. Me reason it Firelinks, brother. And certain personal information where me have them reason about, me not go disclose it, but me I tell you, brother. When the reason it Firelinks, brother. And here some man, evil, bro. You see, people not understand the industry or what the industry are. The makeup of the industry and the players them in the industry are people. We don't know how I go on, man. If you're not strong in this, man, I say when they can't hold you, you mash you up. When they can't mad you up, them slander you, boy.
No, man, then try half a Obia with me too, man. But to me, no Obia more than them. It couldn't do me nothing.
Is it better than the Philadelphia?
No, man, Vega, come on, man. Then if them affair got to an actual Obia, man, if command the universe, them not good.
Yeah, the universe itself.
Yeah, member said them, you know. If it got to somebody, we are going to say the thing them and do the thing them to make the universe move. You know. Me no need that. Me can do me thing myself. Me know what to pray, so me know the name them what to call upon. Me know the time what to pray. Me know
so
which
the one that you know say a fight, you just say a bag of things and call them name.
Yeah, man, you have to call them name, man.
I make them judgment reach them.
Now you make the pit where them dig for you, them fall in it.
Let me tell you something.
And them own energy, them a fall upon it now. And
let me
then
tell you my weakness. Let me tell you my weakness, boy, bro. 100% of my weakness, boy. All of the people them will walk over and try to stop the youth them from boy and nothing not go on for them. Me I talk financially, me not talk about career-wise like music and something there. All of the people them boy will mash up people boy and fight against people boy and try to stop people food. The whole of them mash up like dog financially. And they put on the facade and trick people like them at the well. And them a go a good same way and them a hold morals and all them things there. And they fight when them fight people and try to mash up people boy. Cause some of them blood the past some of them and you know. Because when you mash up on a youth like all terror the man and people, you know, blood the pan, you know, because mash them man they feed the whole heap of people, you know.
Vega, you see me? I'm proud of myself. You see me, my boss from 2001, fully loaded. Real boss. Come here, I play music before that and I get little clout and thing. But that's my boss. After that play there, my life changed. See? Now at 2020, and I can knock on Yasa. From that time till now, Foota name Africa in a top 3 selector in Jamaica. I been traveling the world. May I book up some place for you? Where you know say some selector never two go.
No, not that.
Despite say everybody have beat me because of my views and them something there. The Almighty has always propelled me to go these places and reach these platforms. I know money make me reach there. Me not a management, me never have a manager yet. You understand what I say? I just me. You see me? So these are the things that people don't understand about long-term blessing Vegas.
Let me tell you something. You know why I'm so rebellious, brother? I have to be rebellious, bro. And if it comes with them fans, them followers, them in a top mode, me okay with that, brother. But you said me not rebellious in this, bro. If me never rebellious foot of them, rub me out long time and last me.
But that's the same thing with me. Alright. Me tell someone all the way. Say you see Vegas, no ramp, you know. Cause anytime some man see Vegas pan show a trouble, you know. See?
100.
So, remember, me look pan a man and say, you know, say me a selector. And me not like when them put on Vegas to perform before me play.
Because me man we are sing and the song we have to play too. me man say, me man give the DJ, me man give my DJ a 10-minute segment. Me say, who come next? Foota? Oh, him alright, man. But you say, Father boy, me no fight me. Me give my selector a 10-minute segment.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
every top 10 tune burn out.
Yeah.
What me say? If a man say, yeah man, a Foota play next, me say, alright, Star, take out that, or Joe Young, take out that. Foota go play next. So you never go on the top 10 segment. And we will go like, no, and one blood and them tune. But you see, anyhow, have somebody when me know a fight me, I come next. I want to tell you, man, brother, me tell the people them earlier on, man, me go Boston. When me know say the boy elephant a fight me. About me at the dancing song and me can't dance. I want the blood clot. Me just say, give me coolie dance rhythm, brother. Me say, over your head now, over your head, on the river now, on the bank, and with the blood clean you, Willie Bounce. And the night them run for Willie Bounce, and I say, Willie Bounce, with the blood clot. Yo, when he come up, no forward. Everybody know. Signal the player now. Signal the player. Signal the player now. Signal the player. What I want to name? What I want to name? Happy Ferry. Happy Ferry. I want the blood leader. I mean, you fight me. I can sing Elephant catalog from one rhythm. Fact. You hear that?
Yeah.
Any one of them you know fight against me. Alright, outside of Jamaica, bro. Because you know say Jamaica a bounty town.
Yeah.
See? And him just want catch a war. Verse me and him no good. See? And the war hot you know, or whatever they call it. You know about that, I want to some boy. Oh boy, girl gosh. Right, was the Jamaican something there. So once you go there, I said, the pussy will not whatever no one. You know, so we can't follow that, bro. But make me want him blood clot in New York now. Make me want him in Canada, New York, England, any one of them places. Bro, me go shabba with me go thing there. Rough cut. Me go England with rough cut and shabba them, brother. Shabba them have to take me off a rough cut man. Worse, them go tell me say Shabba now want me perform for the band. Me say I want to Shabba. How are they, man? And them have to give me one, then give me one band at England for work. When we reach England, we must rough cut a band when we rehearse with, you know. When we reach England, let's say me have to work with a band at England. Me say what? I don't know me take a piece of food already. Me I say, John, no, me can't give back the food. You don't know a nice piece of food, brother.
Yeah.
You have to work with an English band, bro. Shabba said, me no want to see Vegas in front of me, you idiot. Shabba ranking that. I want to you. Me, once me know you fight against me, I go up there and make a DJ play out all your song too. I want it to me easy. I said, me never remember say the pan the show.
Just what say I did film ban.
Eh?
Just what say I did film ban.
No, Jazz. I never hear about Jazz. I rest them from down. I rest them from. I think Jazz one. No man, but you never played that day the Jazz one. I rest them. What's your name there? Valerie Band Jazz one. I never hear about Valerie Band. Valerie Band then give me. You want to see me get England in a cold? Have you go a rehearsal? Who you them one place? What do you man? Me say if them never allow me to go and thing there. Pan rough cut band, brother. I want to man. Me not make people them run out through the door. And I put on a Marshall song, you see? And I put on a Marshall Montana song and say, people, I go run through this, I go run through up and down the road and come back down here. Where you idiot? Me say, me hold elephant up a Boston, man. Me say, pan the river, pan the bank, signal the plane now, signal the plane. But me had the dancing song, I can't dance. How with you, man? Big up yourself, General.
Yeah, just what say him on the band.
Yeah, go to Jazz with the band for you. I Jazz with them general, you know, I kill them you, but Jazz with them general, Jazz knows me a real youth.
No, but here we have to rate a youth like Jazzwad. See? Jazzwad is a youth where no matter if him and killer a team, him still heal to heal and talk to him to talk to. And you understand?
When killer try to remote my career, Jazzwad I try vice me. Fuck.
Yeah.
What me just say? I'm hope say Jazzwad I get that trouble feet. When killer I try to remote my career, Jazzwad I try to record me. You understand?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Really youth.
I have a youth name Melanine. No matter how Alliance and Cartel that go at it and real, him keep it real. Him heal, him talk. You understand? All if they want to shoot.
I'm tell you something, I have to pick up the people them in the music and the people even outside of music. And some bad man too.
Yeah.
When they rate killer and them thing that and rate to them for rate, but them just know say, yo, man a man. A man will stand up for themselves. Any man stand up for themselves, boy, you're a pussy. You idiot. Nobody walk over me, you idiot. You mad? Me know say, Foota Hype say Alliance, and me write a song in Lexus say. What you call them girl there? Foota Hype. I want to you. Me I try I say a Foota the bad select over there. Foota fire over there. What you call them girl there? Foota Hype, Foota get mad.
No, here I'm the vex Vegas. Here why. I personally I got talk about it. About 12 years ago, I personally got talk about it. Here why. Member say killer burn out Lexus. Me end up take it up on my head because of loyalty. Burn out Lexus. See? Then over time, I may alone I deal with Lexus. Vice him pan dub plate. And let me drop the dub plate. Them man say, yo, what that how you play Lexus? Me I say, dog, the man have some bad girl song and me I work with it. See? Me go run a buju. Cause run a buju used to hang out. And me and him a reason. Nobody not chat to him. Remember when I time with them and I go on a buju here? Nobody not chat to Lexus. Lexus have sit down on one side by himself. Nobody no want to see it. And me and him reason and them things. So me and him have an understanding. So yes, when me hear this song, me feel betrayed. Me feel
Man say, I want to batty boy Vegas. Man say, people, Vegas them a batty boy. Yo, you wicked this thing. Me say, alright, this is the song they boss in, brother.
yeah.
Me say, that the song they make all international news in, brother.
Yeah man, alright, Vegas, start the tune. Them time they nothing they name viral. No me I go viral man, no true TV me up on man.
Me say, at that time, me carry Lexus go a country go perform that right after the fight, man. The far do we get from that, brother? What?
Yo, remember say, a Cinemax and True TV and them something they company.
Me say, brother, Lexus come in before morning that the blood clit. I say, yo, go and put that star. What go on? So the blood clit there.
You know, so when we get the call, them say, you and him run away. But by me reach you, cut. And I him one left round there.
No, some of my ancestors them work, them say, cut.
Yeah, cause you me get the call, you know, remember me yard me there, you know. Remember me there even dressed, you know. A t-shirt and shorts, you know. But to all me bex, you know. But me never did it on a physical level. Me go and say, beg on a song there. Cause me I use song fight back song. Cause a song. Me not plan to go physical with artists. Cause me love artists. Artists are part of the industry. And me co-worker them. But me feel hurt and me feel bitch. And I you me vex it in a him, you know. Because
no, but I'm here to vex it. I'm here to vex it. Now me write the song, man.
No, but me not know that. Me I say because
no, he not nothing to do with it.
Remember my no, he sing it. Remember my
no,
whole team.
Listen. He not nothing to do with it.
He sing it. He sing it.
He not even know him I sing, sir.
Well, God go with him. Watch this now, Vega. You know why I feel that way? My whole team. Me go against my whole team. For deal with it. And vice him and them something there. So when me hear me I say look how much money in the alliance. When never say Jaguar, when never says Nimran, when never say Marshall, when never me feel hurt. Cause none of them man are dealing there.
No, but here we go now. Here is a metaphor, you know. Whenever really say, like you. But
yeah, but Vegas, man, could have find different metaphor and rhyme.
No, man, it a say girl walk, put on a height.
Yeah, so the foot of height, but me still not work with it. The man have said, man, I compare me to Ducky. The girl Ducky, how she gets up right. Wait, me I say, no, me not live with this.
Yo,
me not live with this. Vegas, remember say them time there, you know. 2,000 or 3,000 people at Cassava Piece have me as the king of the community, you know.
No, that time they out with you. That time they run the place already.
Then me I put my community on him.
No, but here we go on now. Remember say that time the killer beat, you know. Killer is a man, you know. Killer is, yo. Remember say me hate Bounty Killer, you know, brother. That's another like, I ain't talking, you know. Bounty Killer try my mother not eat, you know, brother. He may never try my mother dead for hungry, you know, brother. So me must say me hate Killer, brother. People I said me I take it personal. Brother, me can't do no otherwise. Me hate the brother. Like good. So you see, me I say put hype at the bad select over there. Me no say me I go take it on and him me I expect to take it on. You know. Me say what you think girl there? Put a hype. Me say blood clot no. Me just read country and I say country. You more country to that again. That's country.
Yeah.
See? Country say, remember say, Lexus kind of have the same big vibe something there.
Yeah.
So I call country, I say tomorrow. I say, yo, but Lexus I say tomorrow too. So Lexus comes so boom now, and forward, and country vex me to this day. So country you don't out. But what, 21?
But the thing is, more they get for buck up Kent Conley where they call them man in a gun away.
But me song on the bus, me I tell you, say the fight bust the song, man.
Yeah.
Big time, brother.
Alright, then you don't know say. Alright, watch your life weird enough. They don't know say after me come so now boom. And me and Lexus at odds now. And me I say, alright, me the younger man in the alliance where they are give him some strength. The whole team seal off then. Nobody not deal with him. One night me get a call. Yo, meet me at Village Cafe. Go up a Village Cafe. That time Robert them used to keep a thing up there. I go there and stand upside I'm a general. That killer now. Under their reason. But me never look who the side of killer. Me just know say me over here up on the left hand side of reason.
You look at Lexus.
When me look at Lexus.
Remember the night, the brother.
Me bumbo blood
Remember
clot.
the night, bro. I swear to God, remember the night, bro.
Yo, me get mad. Yo, me get mad. Alright. Listen, the way me get angry because remember, you know, the first problem, you know, we are born out Lexus because of you, you know. Cause you and him not good, so we and him can't good, you know. I know
I'll
me and
meet
him.
too. I'll me get fired too.
What you mean, man? Them time them in a see Vegas them.
None at all. Hey, remember one night you come down a ratty when we play the Friday night party used to keep down at the ghetto there. So what name again? And Gary Chuck said me to play out the man.
Dirty Friday.
Dirty Friday, bro. Let me tell you something. Me see you walk coming at a party then. And you play a Mavada and a Killer and left on the power cut rhythm.
Yeah, man. Then
That time me have winner one a friend from the power cut rhythm and me I say, yo, the man just come in and just play the Mavada and the Killer and cut.
But Vegas, you know, I'm glad you bring up that. Because sometimes me up on my life, and me I tell people, say, Stephen the genius, and me, bossing career, and me send him a road by that same prejudice something that we may have.
Bro, you know tell me, bro. Me tell you some daddy and see it. Me know the pan
I try, but me walk everywhere with pan knock and go play the Mavado.
Me dead, bro.
Top shot and no miss. Them say, alright, yo, you talk about Ellie. When me I walk out do that, Ellie called me one day and say, I want me to you. Me and nothing.
Remember, so you deal the rhythm the night, you know, brother. Remember, so you deal the rhythm the night, you know. I remember, say me dep on the rhythm and me I say, yo, call him, God go with him.
No, but no people that they understand how important a selector going out there from city to city and just a play you and your product till you become a household name.
2 songs on the rhythm and you play that blood clip about 10 minutes, 15 minutes and cut.
That's
you
why
play the Mavado and get forward. You get fired off by Mavado like, whoa.
That's why I tell them, say, when them hear me and Mavado in an argument, you know, want nobody to come in
when they say, all I Killer fans, them all who read about the Killer talk some big things about Killer song, my youth. Remember?
First thing, and me make Killer go vice. Me hear the rhythm and go clean.
If as some know say in song never good for the rhythm, because the way you play the song hard and I didn't go, now we come last for the rhythm.
And I'm me making vice, Steve.
Dead last.
Steve.
You shouldn't even bother making vice, he come dead last for the rhythm.
No, but watch this, me I'm gonna show you how me work, you know. Stephen the genius, Killer now vice feel. But me ear Killer on the rhythm. I'm going to Killer and I say, and I convince him. I only about great things we do in our music, you know. But people, yes, it's true, me's a man that talk like you. Them just not like me. All if you save their life. If them are John and draw them out of the water, him come on. Foot of your pussy. You save me, but I suck your mother.
Bro, listen me. I really think I talk. All of me talk for the people, man. I say, yo, we don't see a Jamaica we are trying to fix up and make Jamaica become a paradise that it is. Or that it's supposed to be. I wouldn't know where I fight final. I wouldn't know where I tell say, yo, if you not be careful, they soon change all the color of the national flag, you know.
Yeah, man.
I try to tell them, you know. I say, yo, look on the surface, you know. I try make the man them demasculate the man them. Fear be a bitch at Jamaica run up and down, you know. So when real war started, you know, nobody know that they fight no back, you know, cause you can't put man in the heels and fingernails to go fight and find M16 upper oppressors. So we are
No,
telling
but first
people,
thing,
yo,
once them address so them attitude change, them can't
we
fight.
are
Them must say,
telling people and say, yo, no, why is it what me like? Because them a try demasculate the youth, them and put things in the baby them feet. So little boy, them a grow up like girl. And then we have the woman them now from Jamaica now. The woman them now take them under them wings and I talk about, hey girlie, hey Auntie Shibi, and all them fucker that we are saying, yo, I demasculate when the colonizers then demasculate the youth them, you know. So that means that nobody now go there to see what them are do to hold them accountable. So them now have nobody to give an account to. So
and
that is
if the people them are grow up and see
them
how
set the people them foot up to fight against me and you. So that's why them create. That's why them help perpetuate and them create all enough time. 100% me can guarantee you this foot. The last thing I go say before me go jump in on my business. Me go show you something. Me guarantee I'm want you look out people. 90% of the people will have something negative to say about you and speak the truth, brother. If you click on them page, them have like 0 followers, them have 0 traction. Them actually create, it's like a Russia create the spam them.
Yeah.
And that a go on, brother. You have people behind the scene who create whole heap of page.
So here where them want to know, comment from the fake page will look like the whole Jamaica abon you. When it's an alpha reading them up with the whole like fake page on chat shit. Yeah, man.
Brother, guarantee, brother, let's go look now, man.
Yeah, man.
Because more time I take a time out and come to boom and go look and say, yo, let me see how this. Let me look on the page.
Vegas.
No like, no followers.
Me block them till me hand tired.
Yo, from what they feel like a fool man. See me, go fuck your mother. See him? Let me come to boom and click on the page.
Fake.
Serious man, me say, you know, say I'm fake man, this media cause.
Yeah, man. And them have the most to say. You ever dip on your live yet? And you come someone one of them a type out Ras, and it just goes on add to live. Then can't add to your life.
Fact.
Can't add to your life.
So that way them actually are the people them set up. Them just want to run it something from you start talk truth about your brother. Cause them want to get rid of you. So they can demasculate the man them. And that a go on, brother. So you say in a music, in a Jamaica, trust me, we have too much bad mind and wicked people.
No, I true. You are Vegas. You are still. Remember saying no. People might say Vegas are this and Vegas are that. Even though Vegas knows me I'm on the tech side. Because some people have talked about Footer, you have tech side in that business. You can't say that to me. From the inception in the music, me a tech side. From the reaching the music, Alliance, me say. And then me say Gully. And then me depart and depart my own now as Footer hype music. And me aware the whole business where I move nasty and slack. So me is always segregated. Me always over one different part. So me comes to now boom. And me have a rhythm and me feel like say, me hear Vegas for it. And I reach out to Vegas and say, Vegas never tell me no. Vegas vice for me. Although me and him never see eye to eye towards certain things. I mean, they depend on a different team and they depend on a different team. This is how music supposed to go. Music is supposed to go with ego over music. I must music over ego. Me and Wycliffe apart already. Zine? And me learn this right there so. Wycliffe, I work on a song for Puff Daddy. Me never know say Puff Daddy and Clef in an attack it. Zine? Watch this in a video. Clef and Jerry Wonder are play upon the song. Zine? The song produced by Puffy. I think Yin Yang Twins did that do the song. You know, say Clef them just do them work upon the song. The person who did it on behalf of Puffy collect the song, them write the check, him gone back to Puffy with the song, and Clef and Puffy still not talk. But the job get done. Whenever you understand, man.
You not get that in the music, brother. In the dancehall music, you not get that. The man in the music, the man with a more glad to see. You lose your space, brother. It's like a man rejoice. Alright, let me tell you something, bro. Remember saying, me come in a music, come see bad mind and wickedness, brother.
Yeah.
Me come in a music, come see evil, in a dancehall, in a reggae music, and the wickedest better people me come around in my life, bro. Bro, me there a stage show. Me there a stage show and see man at work. Man out there work and I try move the crowd and the man them backstage, the artist them backstage and say, come. Yo, come. Yo, come. Missy man there say, you know good, you know. You know look good team, you know.
Dog a bite the meal back.
I say, how the blood clot this then? Me don't think say a man that feel a way if you know say an artist go up there and flap. Me I say, how with this? That me just a come in a music, brother.
Vegas.
Me just a see man there, I say, like, man, I take it for joke, yo, come. Yo, you know, look good
Vegas,
feeling.
Vegas, I want to show you something where painful to me. Because some of the things that my people say online and think it hurt me, that not hurt. You see, when sometimes the people them say, why you not try talk to the young artists then instead of tear them down? That fucking hurt me. Because me not tear down no young artists. My opinion, not because it not go with the way you feel, doesn't mean I'm tearing it down.
Do you feel the